Let's talk about NexGadget Premium 19-piece kitchen utensils sets. Stainless steel and nylon cooking tools including spoons, turners, tongs, whisk, can opener, peeler, scraper, measuring cups, and spoons. The Deluxe Kitchen Starter Set, NexGadget offers a wide and varied selection of kitchen accessories at competitive prices designed for any home. This 19-piece tool and gadget set is the ultimate set to tackle all your culinary needs. They are stylish, easy to clean and durable for everyday use. Each piece is constructed from sturdy, durable Nyon and stainless steel components for great performance. Nylon Utensils 5 pieces. NexGadget Kitchen Set takes your cooking seriously by providing more species of cooking tools to customize users' need. Set includes one each basting spoon, slotted turner, whisk, and cooking tongs. Notice here, nylon utensils heat resistant up to 400 F210C. Extra Tool and Gadget Set 14 pieces. 14 more tool and gadget sets includes one each peeler, cheese grater, can opener, scraper, 5 pieces measuring cups and 5 pieces measuring spoons. Measuring cup capacity, 18 cup, 14 cup, 13 cup, 12 cup and 1 cup, and measuring spoon capacity, 14 teaspoon, 12 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 12 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon. Durable and versatile design, features a durable design made from heat-proof nylon and stainless steel, to prevent scratching, scuffing or damaging your cookware. The ergonomic nylon grips and large handles throughout this kitchenware set ensure easy grip and maximum control while cooking. All tools among this 19 pieces set are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and minimizing cleaning time, except the can opener, which should be hand washed. Equipped with hanging loops for convenient compact storage. Valued gift pack for your family friend yourself. Still worried what gift to buy for festivals, housewarming party, or even Christmas? Here is the deal. This 19 high-quality kitchen utensils will offer user everything for all food prep tasks, without costing you a fortune buying each piece individually. Add a new and fresh kitchen set in your parents' house, present it to the new homeowners, or even treat yourself, making the What a bargain this is. I have just ordered some new pots and pans and I wanted some good quality utensils to make sure that I don't scratch them up as I have done with metal utensils in the past. I know, silly thing to do. I saw this set and all the extras it came with, and for the price I knew I had to get them. The measuring cups and spoons are great and the handles on the utensils are shaped so that it is comfortable to hold them, especially the whisk. The tin opener works really easily, and as someone who has had several cheap and nasty tin openers in the past, I was relieved to see this not only works but it works well. Great set for replacing existing utensils or as a starter set for moving into a new home. Really good quality items and at bargain basement price. It was a pleasure to throw out all of my old stuff and replace it with this brilliant set. My favorite among this set is the tin opener. It is so easy to use, you don't have to force it by putting on any pressure. I am so pleased. I read the other reviews. I am very happy with this purchase and I highly recommend other people buy it too. Very good quality, appear to be strong, only used a few up to now so far. Very happy with them. Excellent product. Needed plastic and stainless for steel components. My non-stick pans and make extra sturdy, these are definitely strong. Varied selection of kitchen accessories designed for any home.